So let's talk a little bit about motor skills in autism. And why motor skills? Because tennis works on a lot of foundational motor skills: hand-eye coordination, balance, agility, motor planning, all things that are very important actually to overall growth for children. So we know that many children with autism can have difficulties in their motor skills. So these are things like fine and gross motor skills, so the way in which you walk, the way in which you use your arms and your legs, the way in which you hold on to things or grasp things, or also difficulty with maybe motor coordination or balance. We also know scientifically that the development of motor skills early in life are really important for the development of cognition and language, and even things like adaptive function, which is how you live day to day. And we also know that motor skills are important for engagement in physical activity. And motor difficulties in these children with autism can often lead to less engagement in physical activity, so more sedentary behavior, less amount of that they're moving from day to day, and that can also impact their health. Many of us know that there are a lot of benefits to participating in physical activity in sports, and we often think about things like physical fitness or weight loss or health, but it's also important to know that there are studies showing that sports and physical activity can benefit your mood, behavior in children, particularly for children with behavioral difficulties such as in autism, and also for cognitive function, both in individuals with and without autism. For that reason, it's very important that all children with autism and other developmental disabilities have an equal opportunity to participate in sports activities and physical activities. And it's also very important that they meet a certain amount of physical activity time daily, recommended for most children. ACEing Autism directly targets this by providing adaptive and inclusive tennis programs for children with autism to ensure that these programs are not only made available to many kids, but are specifically tailored to kids with autism so that they feel comfortable and confident engaging in this physical activity.